So I had a buddy from work with a 2011 Tahoe. And he said it had a check engine light, was running rough, and was ticking. Thinking it might have had a lifter failure, so dropped it off and let me have it. And I was going to see what I could figure out with it. Now it definitely is missing, and it is making a little bit of noise, but it's definitely not your typical GM lifter and tick, so it is kind of weird, but I think something else might be going on. I got a 2011 Tahoe in the shop today with a misfire. Let's take a look at it. Looks like we got a constant miss. Don't really hear a lifter. Could be something else. So it looks like he's put plugs, wires, and a coil on it. It's on number 3. That's a non-ASM cylinder, so I wonder if it could be an injector. Guess we'll figure it out. I got my little fuel pressure gauge rigged up. It's not my normal one, but that's all I got that'll work for now. I'm gonna do a little test here. Let's check the injectors out. Alright. Dang, I went from 55 to about 22. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, where are we at? Okay, 55. About 20. All right, let's see what number 3 does. That's my trouble one. Well, that one looks the same as all the others. Well, shit. Back to square one. All right, I want to do one more little test of these injectors here just to rule them out. So, got a little pigtail here. Now it looks like they're flowing, but I just want to make sure electrically they're okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. All right, we got about 12 ohms. Oh, that's number 3. Let's take a look at a known good one. Let's see here. And that one's about 12 ohms too. Alrighty. Wheel, that looks good. Well, now, I need to pull the plugs out just to make sure. I'll take that valve cover off too. Well, didn't see nothing obvious in there, so let's get this coil back on. Just gonna have to pull them plugs out. Go from there. Keep digging. It's brand new. Well, these plugs look all right. I think I'm going to do a compression test. So let's disable these injectors here. 13 and 24 injectors. And then the spark. Well, I can't remember. Injectors. I think that disables the spark, but I'll just unplug the coils just to make sure. That's number 1. Number 3. Well, doesn't look too good. I think I got some bad news. Definitely something in the motor. Sorry, Daniel. About 120, 125. Looks like something's going on inside the motor. Gonna have to pull the head, see what's going on. Wish I had better news for you, Daniel. Sorry about that, buddy. Guess we're gonna have to go from there.